Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session I have brought the study of chemical properties of acids, because I hope in the previous videos you all have got the general nature of acids. Okay, so the chemical properties of acids. So first property which I am picking for you, this is of when any acid react with metal, it forms metal salt. You have to understand, it forms metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so now you see here, so suppose we are taking here hydrochloric acid. First I am taking hydrochloric acid plus any active metal, so it will form metal salt. So here it will form metal chloride, it will take chloride ion from hydrochloric acid plus hydrogen gas will evolve. So here I will mention with the upward arrow. So let us start. First, suppose HCl, that is reacting with sodium metal. So what will happen, sodium that reacts with this chlorine, it will form metal chloride in the form of sodium chloride, as well as hydrogen gas will evolve in the form of H2. So to balance this equation, number 2 is to be there, so we have to put the number 2 before HCl. Hydrogen will get balance, as chlorine is getting to be 2, so we have to put there the number 2 here. Sodium is also going to be 2, so here you have to put there number 2. So suppose you are taking the another one example, HCl plus K. So what you will get here, KCl plus H2. Okay, so again same thing you have to do, number 2 and 2 you have to write to balance this equation. Okay, let us take some another example. Suppose magnesium is to be there and it is reacting with hydrochloric acid, so it is divalent and chlorine is monovalent, so metal salt will form in the form of MgCl2. Don't forget, you have to form in this form MgCl2, as well as hydrogen gas will evolve. Okay, so as chlorine is 2 here, so you have to put the number 2 to balance this equation, and rest part is balanced. Suppose you are having calcium and that is reacting with HCl, so what it will form here, it will form calcium chloride, because calcium is also divalent, and hydrogen gas will evolve. So to balance this equation we have to put there the number 2 before HCl. Okay, let us take the another one more example. Suppose aluminium is to be there and that is reacting with HCl. So what will form here, because aluminium is trivalent, so it is trivalent, so it will form the metal salt in the form of AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas will evolve. So what will happen, as you have to focus to balance this equation, 2 hydrogens are there, but chlorine is to be 3, so we have to find out its multiple. 3 2s are 6, so you have to put there the number 6 here. Hydrogen is getting 6 here, so you have to put there the number 3. Hydrogen is now 3 2s are 6. Chlorine is 3, but you have to make it 6 as it is present on left hand side, so we will put there the number 2. It is going to be 3 2s are 6, but as well as aluminium is also gets 2, so you have to put there the number 2. If you will check it, this reaction is completely balanced now. Okay, let us take another example for that. Suppose any metal, and here we are taking here sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, so it will form metal sulfate. Metal salt will form in the form of metal sulfate, as well as hydrogen gas will evolve. So like suppose any metal Na, suppose we are taking sulfuric acid is H2SO4, so this sodium will react with this sulfate ion, so it will form Na2SO4, because sulfate is divalent, SO4 2 negative, so that's why this salt will form in the form of Na2SO4, and as well as hydrogen gas will evolve. So upward arrow, don't forget to write. Okay, now so sodium is going to be 2 here, so you have to write there the number 2, and rest I think rest part is balanced. Let us take another example for potassium plus H2SO4. So what you will get it, K2SO4 plus H2. Okay, so the same thing, hydrogen is 2 but potassium is 2, so that number 2 is to be kept here. Let us take another example for aluminium and calcium. So calcium plus H2SO4, so what you will get it will form calcium sulfate, because they both are divalent. Cation is divalent as well as anion is also divalent, plus hydrogen gas will evolve. Okay, so that CaSO4 plus H2, this is balanced, and Al plus H2SO4 suppose you are taking. So aluminium is trivalent but this is divalent SO4, so the formula that you will get Al2SO4 whole thrice. Okay, then and hydrogen gas will evolve. So here 2 aluminiums are to be there, so the number 2 is to be kept here, and sulfate is going to be 3, so you have to put there the number 3. Hydrogen is going to be 6, so put there number 3. Okay, so now if you will see that reaction is completely balanced. Okay, so I hope you all have got it, how the acid reacts with the active metals and what type of products will form. That's all for today's session.